In today's video, I want to talk about having a fresh, clean home and some of the tips for making household cleaners and some super simple tips for how to improve the air quality in our homes as well. I'm going to list all of these recipes in the description box, and I have another video coming out on Friday with some more DIY household cleaner recipes, so keep your eyes out for that, and let's go ahead and jump right into this video. Starting with the first tip, which is super simple, is the importance of opening up our windows. There was an EPA study that pollutants indoors can be 2 to 5 times higher than the outside. So exchanging the outdoor air with the indoor air can help clear pollution, and opening the windows can refresh the air in an average room in about an hour. So even opening for 1 hour in the cool of the mornings or the evenings can make a huge difference in a home. I do love candles and incense, and there are options out there that are a little bit healthier, but overall the best choice for making the home smell good is either a homemade potpourri or literally just diffusing essential oils. Today I'm going to diffuse a little bit of rosemary in the kitchen. I've done different recipes on my channel before where I've made some, potpourri where you put some rosemary and a few other things and just simmer that on the stove. But then you have to keep your eye on it. This one has a timer, so it turns off automatically after 1, 2, or 3 hours. So just a few drops of rosemary essential oil is perfect for the kitchen, and you can diffuse, lavender and eucalyptus in the bathroom. So you can improve the air quality in your home by simply switching from candles and incense to a diffuser, or just taking a break. I love those things as well, but taking a break and using a cleaner option such as diffusing essential oils. One thing I want to invest in for this home that I haven't yet is an air filter, but houseplants can act as air filters as well. They are natural air filters, and they help keep the air indoors clean and fresh. There are a list of plants, according to the ongoing research with the Clean Air Supply and NASA, that are supposed to be best for filtering the air and bringing oxygen into the environment. I learned about all the best types of plants for the inside of your house when I took my intermediate course through the Herbal Academy. There's lots of resources out there, but I will list all of the plants below that they recommended, and also just trying to keep those plants as healthy as possible by dusting them so that they can do their job, so that the leaves are nice and clean. One of the main sources of indoor irritants is from toxic chemicals that are found in cleaning supplies. And I certainly am not perfect about this, but honestly, it's really easy and affordable to make DIY household cleaners, and good old-fashioned vinegar and baking soda does the job most of the time. So for a super simple all-purpose cleaner that you can use for your windows or your countertops, it's 4 parts water, 1 part vinegar, and a few drops of your favorite essential oil. That's it. You just need a bottle. I don't know why I ever slack on making homemade DIY cleaners, because they're easy and they work great. How cute are these Swedish dishcloths that I found at Costco with the mushrooms? So as of lately, I've just been trying to keep a big bottle of cleaning vinegar in our house and essential oils and bottles so that I can whip these up really easy. That all-purpose recipe that I just shared, the 4 parts water, 1 part vinegar, and essential oils, whatever wasn't put in the bottle, you can save leftover and use it for mopping the floor. I just go ahead and put it directly on the floor and then use the steam mop over that because it says not to put anything inside the actual unit. Or you can make a separate batch with a different type of essential oil, like sometimes I use orange for the floors. Now for the tubs, sinks, and stovetop, you can make this soft scrub with 1/2 cup of baking soda, 2 tablespoons of liquid dish soap, whatever you have, or a dish soap of your choice, 2 tablespoons of water or vinegar, and a few drops of essential oils of your choice. And I'm going to use this to clean our sinks. Every once in a while, something will need like barkeeper's friend to really get it clean, but most of the time the combination of, baking soda mixed with the liquid dish soap, vinegar, and a few drops of essential oil really does the trick when it comes to tubs, stovetops, or sinks. This soft scrub does a fabulous job cleaning the sink, so I highly recommend making a small or large batch of it if you're going to do a day of cleaning, and use a good solid scrubber along with it. You'll see what a great option it is. Next, I'm going to set aside some vinegar specifically for herbal vinegar, which is, in this case, it's going to be essential oil infused vinegar, but you can also do dried herbs and have infused vinegar that way. Like if I have dried lavender or dried eucalyptus, I don't have anything on hand right now in terms of dried herbs that I want to infuse in the vinegar, but I am going to put 10 to 12 drops of the essential oil of my choice. In this case, I'm going to do a little bit of eucalyptus, and I'm just going to keep this in my apothecary cabinet. I'm going to use this to make some other things in future videos, which you will see. In my next video, I'm going to make a DIY linen spray, and I will be using this in the future for some other recipes that I will be sharing. So that completes this video, but I will be right here back on this channel this Friday, 9 a.m. Central Standard Time with a new video, and I'm going to be working on a new goal of mine, which is the master bedroom. We're steam cleaning the carpets, we have some more DIY cleaning recipes, we are turning over the house for the summer, and I've been on a massive cleaning spree, so we're just going to keep this going for a little bit. But yeah, if you like my channel, thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to give this a thumbs up, make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye.